Hello everyone and welcome back to TechFlow Studio. Today we're witnessing the birth of a monster. We are building a Mercedes G-Class Brabus 800, entirely from scratch. Watch how this raw metal turns into the ultimate luxury SUV. Let's dive in. Check this out. This isn't just any red paint. It's called Rubellite Red Metallic. Mixing this color requires absolute precision. Just look at how rich and deep that finish is when it hits the body panels. Satisfying, right? Now, here is the heart of the beast. This V8 engine gets upgraded with massive turbos. And see that gold foil? That's real gold heat shielding. That's the signature touch intended to handle 800 horsepower. It's time for the marriage. We lower the body onto the chassis. Precision is everything here. Wait for it. And locked. And there it is. The masterpiece is complete. From raw steel coils to this incredible Brabus 800 Widestar. If you enjoyed this manufacturing journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing process videos. Thanks for watching.